We're delighted to announce our integration between reviewer credits and Open Journal Systems. Here you can see the Open Journal Systems manuscript submission area. You're in here as an editor. You've got a paper that you need to process. You are then directed from the Open Journal Systems interface directly into a reviewer finder interface that, as you can see, is powered by reviewer credits. So the reviewer credits AI-powered reviewer database is bringing up suggestions for you as an editor working on the Open Journal Systems platform. If your journal is integrated into this submission system, and reviewer credits powers the reviewer finder component. It's very, very easy. It's all integrated, as you can see in this short video.